Am I recording? I think I'm recording. Okay. Hi, my name is Max Mandela, and this is my Project Excel 4 work. So let me share my screen here, and we'll get going. So, um, right here, the question says, basically figure out how to calculate the z-score in cell 2. So what you're going to do if you didn't have that, so you go equals, and then you would put parentheses, and you would write the cell you want. So for this one, we're going to do B2, right? And then we're going to subtract it from F. You're going to throw a $sign in there, and then you're also going to put the same cell as 2, which is the average right here in the top. And then you're going to close the parentheses, and you're going to divide by F $3, which is the standard deviation. And you press enter, and that is the z-score for this cell right here for C2. And if you wanted to get the rest of it, you would just copy the formula and highlight all the cells, and it would give you the answer there. So thank you very much. Oops, let me stop the share and stop.